So guys, in this video, we are going to cover this logical operators vertical. We have got these three logical operators: and, or, and not. These operators are used to perform logical and, or, and not operation. Their function is similar to AND gate and OR gate you might have heard before. Logical operators are used to combine two or more conditions. These operators are used extensively to test for several conditions for making a decision. So there is a prerequisite for this video. If you have not watched my video on comparison operator, then please go and check that out, because in here you could see we are combining these two conditions, and these conditions are using the comparison operator less than. So we have these three variables: a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c equal to 30. Now what are we doing? We are saying, hey, if a is less than b and a is also less than c, then we are going to say, hey, a is the smallest number amongst these three numbers. Alright, now let us look at each of the logical operators in a detailed manner. Number one is logical AND operator, and we use this symbol, okay, double ampersand. This operator returns true when both the conditions under consideration are satisfied or are true. If even one of the two yields false, the operator results false. So this T stands for true and F stands for false. So if both the conditions evaluated to true, the result would be true. If one is evaluated to true and other is evaluated to false, the outcome would be false. And if both are evaluated to false, the outcome would again be false. So we have these two variables, boolean t, which stores the value true, and boolean f, which stores the value false. So guys, if I perform this operation t double ampersand, or you can say t logical and f, the output would be what? So one is true, the other is false. So this statement would print false. Then comes the logical operator, which is represented by two pipe symbol. This operator returns true when one of the two conditions under consideration are satisfied or are true. If even one of the two yields true, the operator results true. To make the result false, both the constraints need to return false. So you could see true true will return true, true false, and false true will also return true. But if both the conditions are evaluated to false, then the outcome would be false. So if in this case we say T logical or F, so T is true and F is false, so the output would be true because one of the constraints is satisfying to true. Alright, then the last one is not, and for that we use this exclamation mark. So unlike the previous two, this is a unary operator and returns true when the condition under consideration is not satisfied or is a false condition. Basically, if the condition is false, the operation returns true, and when the condition is true, the operation returns false. So it negates the output of the condition. So for example, if I say not true, that would be false, and if I say not false, that would be true. So in this statement, if we say negate t, alright, so the output would be false. Okay, so this is how you have to use it. So you have to say exclamation mark and t. The output of this expression would be false, and negate false would be true. Alright, this should be ideally a pipe symbol. Okay, let's save this, run this. So yes, true and false is equal to false. True or false is true, and negate t would be false, negate f would be true, and yes, a is the smallest number. Alright guys, so this is about the logical operator. I'll see you in the next video.